All right, I want to do a quick video here about matrix scalars. And this is just a number. It can be a whole number, it can be a negative number, it could be a fraction, right? That just comes in front of a matrix. You multiply the whole matrix times that number, okay? So for example, if I have my matrices up here, if I want to take 3 times b, what I'm going to do is it's still going to end up being a 3 by 3 matrix. I'm just going to take that 3 and multiply it to each position through the matrix. So for example, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. The next row is going to be negative, let's see, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 3 times 4 is 12. This is going to be a negative 15. And then 18, negative 21. Ugh, that's an ugly 21. Try that again. Negative 21. And lastly, 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so you still end up with a 3 by 3, but it's just multiplied by that number. And you might notice that these are all going to be multiples of your scalar. Okay, nice easy one here, 10 times c. So these are just going to tack on a 0 to each of the end of those. So we'll have 100, negative 90, negative 80. Next row is negative 70. 60, 50, and I was really creative here with my numbers, I think. Negative 40, and then 10 times 3 is 30, and lastly 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. Okay, and then you can also do fractions like 1/2 times a. A is up here. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 2 is 1. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. And lastly, half of 6, of course, is 3. Okay, so a couple things. Again, these are all going to end up being multiples of your scalar, and then you'll also end up with the same size matrix as you started with.